Hey, fifth grade, I hope you're having a great day. Today in health, we are still talking about digestion. This section is called Absorption and Elimination, and it covers pages 52 to 56. So, the first thing you need to know is that digested food must enter your bloodstream before it can nourish your body. There are these little things called villi, which are tiny finger like projections that are in your intestines, and your food has to pass through them on its way to your capillaries, which remember, capillaries are part of your blood system. The dissolved food that is not needed is changed by the liver into forms that can be stored. Some of it's stored by the liver, and then some is stored under the skin as fat. Your small intestine contracts or squeezes together and forces the rest of your food that isn't used into your large intestine, which is also called your colon. Fiber, which we've read about already, but that's the rough parts of some fruits, vegetables, and grains, can't be broken down and digested. The purpose of fiber is to clean the walls of your intestines. It is temporarily stored in the colon, where water and minerals are taken from the food and sent into the bloodstream. You do need to eat fiber every day to help your body get rid of the waste materials. Good sources of fiber are whole grain breads and cereals, bran, raw fruit and veggies, fruits with seeds that you eat, like berries, not just seeds that you pick out, and nuts. A lot of fruits have fiber in the skin, so when you're eating an apple, if you peel the skin off, you're losing a lot of that fiber. When the waste material reaches the lower end of your colon, it is in a solid form that must be sent out from the body by the muscles in the colon. This is sometimes called a bowel movement. This is what happens when you do number 2. From the time you eat food until it is eliminated usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes that varies, especially if it's food that makes you sick or something, but typically it's 24 to 48 hours. Over 2/3 of your body is made of water, and every cell in your body needs water to do its work. Your body loses about 2 quarts of water every day just through breathing, sweating, and using the bathroom. This is water that must be replaced for your body to function. You can get some water from the foods you eat, especially foods like soup or juicy fruits, but you should also be drinking at least 6 large glasses of non-sugary liquids each day. That's things like water, milk, fruit or veggie juice, but not really sugary ones. A good option would be something like V8. That is a vegetable juice and sometimes fruit juice. That's not super high sugary. If you don't consume enough water, your blood draws the water from your body tissues and your skin becomes dry. So if you've always got like really dry skin, try drinking some water. That will help. Lack of water hurts your ability to digest food, and it can cause stomach ache and constipation. Most people don't drink enough liquids. You should be drinking water even if you don't feel very thirsty. If you already feel thirsty, then at that point, you're already dehydrated. You should be drinking water regularly. You need to drink more water than normal in hot weather and when you exercise, because then you sweat more. If you're sweating, if you're working out, and that water is leaving your body, then you need to be replenishing that. Liquids that contain caffeine, like soda, coffee, tea, can cause your body to lose water even faster. The body also needs extra liquids if large amounts of sugar or salt have been eaten. Sugary foods and salty foods absorb the water in your body quicker. So if you're eating something like salted peanuts or some other kind of food that's really salty or sugary, you need to be drinking plenty of water. Unclean drinking water has caused typhoid fever and dysentery and many other diseases to spread. That's why it's super important if you are out in the wild, like you're camping or something, to bring purified water or to bring some sort of device that can purify your water for you. If nothing else, you can always boil the water and that will purify it, and then you can just wait till it cools to drink. If you drink too much soda, you probably won't drink as much water and milk as your body needs. You'll think that, oh, well, I'm not thirsty, I just had a big glass of Pepsi, and you're not going to drink that milk that you need to give your body calcium, and you're not going to drink the water you need. Soda, coffee, and tea usually contain caffeine, which is a drug that affects your nervous system and makes you think you have more energy than you really do. It'll give you a burst of energy and then you crash because your body thinks it has all this extra energy. Caffeine takes water from your kidneys, and the acid in soda can damage your kidneys and teeth. Caffeine, while may seem nice if you're falling asleep, long term has a lot of negative effects on your body. The main thing to take away from that little part is drink water. Drink lots of water. Even if you're not thirsty, still drink some water. I hope everything is making sense, 5th grade. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out to me on Jupiter or on Zoom. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. See you soon.